song. I need a bath.
I can't believe I know that whole fucking song.
Oh my god.
God.
Me and Amanda used to sing this like constantly at house.
I thought it was when I heard the little. I'm like, oh. I know it's not English.
I met this girl. Oh shit.
I met this girl in Atlanta, let me play in his house. She never went scissor, she never went scissor from the side to the side. That bitch gon' get it all. From the top of my dick to the bottom of my bizzle. Feel the fingernails when she grab it, to feed it. She better to eat it. Whenever I skeet it, she see it and I drop it and not like she won't do it. She be unzipping my pants and she be getting straight to it. No, it was not a dream. It knows what I see. I screamed. She was feeling freaky. She was feeling fun. I didn't feel her teeth that so only felt her tongue. Relax. Getting a massage by the masseuse. She wouldn't let me go up. She wouldn't let me loose. I go, no her. She was somebody else's wife. Happy, so I say it to myself. But this shit was like new. She do it anyway. She didn't wanna talk. She ain't got nothing to say. But love and a love in a mouth. Love and a love in a mouth. Making love, show love. We making love. In the mouth. Making love, show love. We making love. All in the mouth. Can I put it in her mouth? Yes, you can. Can I put it in her mouth? Yes, you can. Can I put it in her mouth? Yes, you can. Can I put it in her mouth? Yes, you can.